3.
Hello, xin chào các bạn. Hôm nay tôi đi mua một DJI Pocket 2 combo và bây giờ tôi muốn unbox cái này. Cái này là camera rất tốt nếu bạn muốn vlog nhé. Okay, let me unbox it now. I'm excited because this is the first time I do unboxing some electronic stuff, so I don't know how is it. Wow, it's not really easy to do this. Okay, probably now it's better. Okay. Oh my god, that's not really easy. Okay, there you go. Finally. So yeah, I finally managed to open this. So this is what it looks like inside, with these things probably to prevent the damage for the box or something. Okay, wow, look at that, man. Looks cool. So I'm gonna be open this one. It's sealing very well actually. Oh yeah, wow, look at that. So stylish, so small, look at that. It's just that big, so yeah, you can easily carry on in your hand, or say put this here. Let me see, what is this one? That one is like lipstick. 3 different things inside. I don't know what's that. The next one, this one, and then something else. Maybe from this side. Yeah. Oh yeah, a lot of different little different things, and of course it's included all of the accessories that is clearly mentioned here in the box. So you get all of this when you buy a combo one. So yeah, this one is a smartphone adapter for lighting, and then this one is wide angle lens, guys. Yeah, this one is pretty important if you are doing something and then you want a wider angle. This is the lens. And then that one is the smartphone, wireless microphone. Yeah, this is wireless, that's good. And then this one is smartphone adapter, and then of course this one, the USB charging cable, and that one is that one is, oh yeah, wrist strap, so you can just easily hold it in your hand or in your wrist or things. And then that one, yeah, this little thing, fluffy things, wireless microphone windscreen, so it blocked the noise or whatever it is, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Hey, that's pretty nice. So, and then the manual instructions, and you can read whatever you want. I'm sure there are a lot of different videos on YouTube that tells you how to use this for the guide. And then this one, look at that, it's little things, like it's as big as my finger, the tripod. So yeah, that works just like this. And then, oh yeah, this one, look at that. So this one is that one is not also big. This one is do it all handle. Yeah, so it will be actually mounting this side of your camera. And then surely you have this one as well, which is you can stick it at the bottom of your camera. Is not sure which part of this one. I think tripod mount. Yeah, tripod mount, sure. And then yeah, look at that one. This one is not do it all handle. Mini control stick. Yeah, this one is mini control stick. So like I said, when you buy DJI Rocket 2 combo, you get all these things that is mentioned here. So all of these things is just inside this box, and then yeah, that's all you have. I'm excited. I'm gonna be starting my vlogging from now on with this handy fella and then let's see how is the feedback, and then probably I will make another video I talk about how is this camera, what is good and what is bad. Look at that one. Pretty easy, pretty small and just handy. Look at that, you can easily put it in your pocket or your pants pocket or whatever. Yeah, so it's quite a nice one. Okay, thanks everybody. See you next time. See you.